All right, good afternoon. This is Eric and Brendan again. It's Tuesday, June 9th. I just want to apologize for abruptly cutting the video short
before.
For
what?
For who?
You don't the video off. Anybody.
Well, what ended up happening was we've been talking about a trade here at Epiphany, a short of Hemispherics Biosciences, HEB. The company's been in the news.
God knows what they do.
I know, and the CEO's had a colorful history, shall we say. The company's had a history of share offerings, and it's had a gigantic run-up because their latest business is that they want to be in on the swine flu thing. So, as we're talking, I see the headline. Sure enough, 501 or 502, whenever it ended, mixed share offering, mixed shelf offering. So I screamed it out. I just shorted 2,700 shares.
You should apologize for your screaming, your shriek.
At 84, I shorted a ton more at 279. We just took it all off between 260 and 267. So it literally was the trade of the day at 5:02 in the afternoon.
Yeah, we were first concerned that it wasn't falling right away, but then we convinced ourselves that this company's notorious for coming out. The stock last month, whatever, the stock was up at $2.50 a share. They announced a shelf offering at a buck. What was it? A buck?
$1.30. It was at $2.20 something that morning. That one was at $1.36.
So
the first time was at $1.87.
It dropped almost a buck in minutes.
And they offered it $1.10. Right.
So yeah,
it shows how desperate they are for money.
Yeah, and now they keep printing paper. It's almost like the government.
Yeah.
You know, it's absolutely phenomenal because we were here doing this video talking about how we're gonna. And HEB has been one of the ones that we've been trading on a regular basis.
Yeah.
It's been active. You can do some big size. You get some moves. Yeah, you get a $3 stock with a 20-cent rip. Move it. Rip used to be the brokerage days, but you get a 20-cent move on a $3 stock. You got 5,000 shares.
It's a trade.
After you scale out of some of it, you're looking at $600, $700 trade.
This is what it looks like. I was looking at that news screen as we were watching the video. I had it on a smaller shrink just above the video screen, and that was it.
This is exactly why some of our traders should stick around. It's funny how the people who make them. It was not funny. It's a product of inputs and outputs. The people who work the hardest make the most money.
And I wrote a piece on Friday on this on our blog site over at www.epiphanytrading.com. Just go to the blog link, all about staying before and after hours. Because even if you get one of these trades every so often, but you get so many clues just from watching what stocks are doing.
I made a day's pay just off of that one trade since our last conversation.
Building on your day, is it
I had a phenomenal day. We crushed it. Was trading that one I was telling you about, and the stock was trading so orderly. And today
it was MRNA for what it's worth, in case you don't remember, everybody.
What did I make? I was up about 1,800 in just that stock. Put another few hundred on top of it, and you're looking at
It's a real day.
Yeah.
It doesn't sound like a lot, but it adds up.
I shoot for 1,000 a day. Today I was at about 2,600. I'm gonna have a steak. I'm gonna probably treat myself.
It's a real day.
But it's funny because people, a lot of times I bump into people and say, "Oh, it must be nice to work for yourself. You can take off whenever you want." We never take off. There's not a day that I have. If I haven't been in this office, I was in Red Bank, New Jersey, or even Manhattan. This is what we do.
And you never know when something like that is going to happen.
I didn't do the math, but I think Epiphany Trading had another record day today. I think that if we were a stock, there'd be a lot of shorts covering.
Let's hope.
Because I know they were shorting us a while back, and
but we shall see.
Shorts shall cover.
This is getting a little long in the tooth, so I just want to wish everybody out there a very, very good night.
Wait, you cut me off?
Oh, I'm going to turn it over to Brendan at the end. I'm going to let him have the last say as the president of the company, but I do want to say good night to everybody.
Yeah, I have nothing to say. Just Did Sina come up yet? SINA?
No, they have not reported as of yet.
So we might be coming back to you with one more trade before we leave.
9 o'clock conference call in China tonight.
Get long. How long?
Well, we don't know about China specifically.
Was how long an Indian or a Chinaman? So, great day today. I look forward to talking to you guys tomorrow.
Have a good night.